APA, American Psychological Association, referencing is a citation style commonly used in the social sciences, such as psychology, sociology, and education. It provides a standardized method for authors to acknowledge the sources they use in their research, ensuring that their work is credible and allows readers to locate the original sources of information. Key features of APA referencing. In-text citations. In-text citations in APA are typically formatted with the author's last name and the year of publication. If a direct quote is used, a page number is also included. For example, Smith, 2020, or Smith, 2020, p15. If there are two authors, both names are included with an ampersand, Smith and Jones, 2020. For three or more authors, only the first author's name is listed followed by et al., Smith et al., 2020. Reference list. At the end of the document, a reference list provides full details of all sources cited in the text. Each entry includes the author's name, year of publication, title of the work, and publication details. The reference list is alphabetically ordered by the last name of the first author of each work. Basic format for a book: author, A, year. Title of work. Publisher. Example, Smith, J.A., 2020. Understanding Psychology. Psychology Press. Basic format for a journal article: author, A, year. Title of article. Title of periodical, volume number, issue number, pages. DOI or URL, if available. Example, Smith, J.A., 2020. Cognitive Behavioral Techniques. Journal of Psychology, 45, 123-135. https://do.org/10.124/jpsy.2020.4567. Formatting Guidelines. The entire document should be double-spaced with 1-inch margins on all sides. A standard font such as Times New Roman, 12-point size, is used. A running head, a shortened title, and page numbers are included at the top of each page. Importance of APA referencing. Credibility. Proper referencing adds credibility to academic writing by showing that the research is backed by reliable sources. It demonstrates the author's diligence in research and respect for intellectual property. Avoiding plagiarism. By accurately citing sources, writers avoid plagiarism, which is the unethical practice of using someone else's work without giving proper credit. APA referencing helps maintain academic integrity. Guiding readers. References allow readers to trace the origins of the information used, facilitating further research and validation of the findings. It provides a pathway for readers to explore additional literature on the topic. Standardization. APA provides a standardized format that makes it easier for researchers, students, and academics to read and understand scholarly work. Consistency in citation style allows for a clearer and more professional presentation of research findings. In conclusion, APA referencing is a critical component of academic writing, especially within the social sciences. It ensures that sources are properly credited, helps avoid plagiarism, and provides a clear, standardized format for scholarly communication.